वेंडर्साक टेक्निकल टेंडर जो दिल्लो तातूंत सगळें स्पश्ट आसा. गोंय मनरिजवण संस्थेत कांयच भ्रष्टाचार ना. आरोप करतल्यांनी आरटीआय मागून पळोवचें अशें आव्हान राजेंद्र तालक हांणी केलां. आरडीएक्सको खातीर पणजेच्यान सुशील शुक्ला.
The tender document itself says that this is a creative concept based come artistic work and the technical evaluation as per the page 14 clause 49 of the tender has to be done before opening the financial bid. We have given you the part of tender document. They are circulating you what I mentioned you just now about the page 14 and actually how this tender procedure is taken in place. Since all the parties were eligible after technical bid, the financial bid was opened and as per the formula mentioned in the in-tender document that we have given you again, the combined highest scoring vendor was accepted. All the procedure has been done as per the tender document. Moreover, such type of procedure is widely used for such creative work. Sagrekaden, this type of procedure is accepted. So it is not like other PWD tendering where you give the lowest the work, because there is a creative concept which is involved here. So that's why this formula, whatever mention is has been practiced, and accordingly we have given. So though we got the lowest was where they argue on that it is 2 crore 14 lakhs, but their technical concept, everything was really bad. They are aware of that also. So that's why they didn't come for the other event. The technical concept was very bad. But the tender allotted was to 6 crore 55 lakhs 32,250, that is TLG India. And the highest quoted was around 7 crore 39 lakhs by TPT.
7 crore.
Yeah. So if there was any corruption we wanted, we would have awarded the highest quote, that is 7 crore 39 lakhs. Why to award 6 crore 55 lakhs? This shows very clearly that we have followed a very transparent procedure, and if anybody wants to look into the matter, they are welcome to ESG, go through the documents. Now against RTI you can collect any documents. Okay, so when you make you should read the tender first. That doesn't, I show you tender document doesn't mean that I read that. If I really want to comment about the tender document or any corruption happening, then I have to read the document first.